Ducati have unveiled the next generation of their iconic naked roadster, the 2026 Monster. This latest iteration marks a major shift for the model, moving away from the long-serving 937cc Testastrada twin and adopting the firm's new 890cc V2 platform. The twin-cylinder engine produces a claimed 111 horsepower at 9,000 RPM and 91.1 Newton-meters of torque at 7,250 RPM, promising strong, usable power throughout the rev range. Ducati say that 80% of the torque is available between 4,000 and 10,000 RPM, making the new Monster flexible and responsive on the road. Weighing in at a claimed 175 kilograms without fuel, it's designed for sharper handling and greater agility. The soundtrack comes courtesy of a twin-exit exhaust on the right-hand side, with an optional Terminioni system available for extra flair. The 890cc V2 engine itself is 5.9 kilograms lighter than its predecessor and benefits from extended 28,000-mile valve clearance intervals, reducing maintenance demands. It's mounted as a stressed member within Ducati's front frame chassis design, similar to that used on other V2-powered machines. The chassis setup features a double-sided hollow swing arm inspired by the Panigale V4 Superbike, combining strength with a sporty appearance. Suspension comes courtesy of Showa components, including non-adjustable 43mm forks at the front and a preload adjustable monoshock at the rear. Riders of varying heights will appreciate the adjustable seat options, with the standard height set at 815mm, and accessories allowing it to drop as low as 775mm. Stopping power is handled by Brembo M432 radial calipers gripping dual 320mm front discs, while the 17-inch wheels are wrapped in Pirelli Diablo Rosso 4 tires. The new Monster also receives ergonomic updates aimed at improving comfort and control. Higher handlebars positioned further forward offer a more confident riding stance, while revised bodywork below the tank features a textured finish to help the rider brace under heavy braking. On the tech front, the 2026 Monster is packed with advanced electronics. A 5-inch, light-sensitive color TFT display provides a clear readout and includes turn-by-turn navigation, controlled via a joystick on the left switchgear. A 6-axis IMU underpins the bike's cornering ABS, traction control, wheelie control, and engine braking control, ensuring safety and performance in all conditions. Additional features include cruise control, an up-down quickshifter, and heated grips. Riders can also select from 4 riding modes: Sport, Road, Urban, and Wet, tailoring the Monster's character to different conditions. With its blend of cutting-edge electronics and a lighter, more powerful V2 engine, the 2026 Ducati Monster looks set to carry the iconic name into a new era, offering the same thrilling spirit that has defined the model for over 3 decades, but with a sharper, more modern edge.